Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Uppercase F. Lowercase f. Let's go coloring. A is for apple. A is for ant.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My
B is for ball.
lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones.
B is for bat.
Fair lady.
C is for carrot.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall
C is for car.
all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down. My fair lady, build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay.
D is for duck.
Clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
D is for door.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away.
E is for elevator.
Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel.
E is for egg.
Iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
F is for fish. F is for flag. Uppercase A. Lowercase a.
Bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow.
Uppercase B. Lowercase b.
My fair lady. London
Uppercase C. Lowercase c.
London Bridge is
Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Uppercase F. Lowercase f. Please like and subscribe to my channel.